how did you come to know about NG Networks? कैसे पता चला about NG Networks?
Okay, sir. Okay, so sir, like one day I was scrolling through my phone in Facebook. So there I saw your advertisement, which was like NG Networks and 100% guarantee placement was there. So actually, sir, once I don't know actually how I came to know about like how to enter in this domain. See, since I was probably from a mechanical background, so actually I want to switch to IT domain. So once I saw your profile and it's like कोई बंदा ऐसा बोल रहा है कि he will help you to enter in such a domain, right? So मतलब let's see and try had a trust with you. Okay, so ऐसा भी होता है like okay. So I was like, but initially I don't believe in like okay ऐसा भी let's try, let's give a try. Then once I enter the course curriculum actually is very nice. That way of teaching NG, right? And the trainers also are very well experienced. So then later I realized that okay, if I go through that curricular activity, whatever they're training, so mostly whatever the experience you need, like the way of communicating with the other peoples, and जो आपने पढ़ाया है उसको अगर अच्छे से किया जाए, like whatever the basic things we have to do, so then definitely that you will get success in that. So that was my motive, and initially I cracked that interview.
एक बहुत बड़ा इंसिडेंट आपके साथ हो गया था, आपका कोई बहुत ही पुराना एक्सपीरियंस था जो कि वैलिडेट नहीं था और हमने डाला भी नहीं था रिज्यूमे में, आपने नहीं डाला था मेरे बार बार पूछने के बाद भी, तो मैं उस बात को आपको ऑलरेडी माफ कर चुका हूँ उस बात को लेके, लेकिन फिर भी वो आगे कंपनी ने उसको देख लिया और पता चला, तो क्या मैं वहाँ पे हेल्पफुल रहा, मेरी टीम हेल्पफुल रही आपके लिए वहाँ पे उस पे वर्कआउट करने के लिए?
Yeah, means like sir, you have really helped me a lot. Like after whatever has happened with me, right? So like team has already I've contacted Achal ma'am and you as well. So ma'am told me just be patient for that time. Okay, so whatever has happened, and Nitin sir, like you and that NG Networks teams have helped me a lot after that, sir. Like so, I'm very grateful and thankful also to you that you helped me a lot in my critical conditions, sir.
तो कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब द प्रोसेस व्हाट वी हैव क्रिएटेड कि आपको ट्रेन करना, एक आपके पास कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं था, इसका कोई आइडिया नहीं था, हमने वी हैव गिवन यू द ट्रेनिंग, वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द बेसिक ऑफ द नेटवर्किंग टिल द एडवांस लेवल टिल द प्लेसमेंट, तो ये कैसा रहा सारी जर्नी और ये सारा प्रोसेस?
Okay, so means like starting में like sir when I joined NG, so एक mindset लेके चल रहा था मैं कि चलो after that I'll get whatever will happen because I have to give 100% from my side, right? So जो भी था like even though starting में like trainers and all trainers are very well experienced sir and they help me a lot whatever doubts you have, ठीक है? So they have like basically starting the confidence building confidence in yourself, right? So after that and whatever the communication classes also we have to take if you want to be good in communication, right? So that is also the point where I find myself very strong in that kind. So एक तरह से overall personality development हुआ sir like after the course duration, and whenever we go outside or wherever outside the organization, so yes we can say like okay so I have that type of confidence to speak up in public. So एक personality development के लिए बोलूँगा sir like help me.
तो कैसा लग रहा है अभी आपका, मैंने जो बैक देखा मल्टीपल जॉब्स करी हैं और इररिलेवेंट प्रोफाइल्स में काम किया और फाइनली आप एक डेजिग्नेटेड लेवल पे आ गए हो, एक अच्छी कंपनी में आ गए हो, तो क्या कोई बिलीव कर रहा है कि हाँ मैंने एक बंदे की बात सुनी, ट्रस्ट किया और आज मैं इस लेवल पे आ गया हूँ? बिलीव हो रहा है आसपास के एनवायरनमेंट में बंदों को?
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली में वही है, जस्ट लाइक until and unless you won't get to that particular level. So yes, now I'm believing in myself like whatever has happened good for a good cause, and अभी believe हो रहा है कि like अच्छा लग रहा है after getting placed in such a good company. So अगर मैं किसी और को भी recommend करूँ तो definitely I will tell them to please join this curriculum, that network NG, if you want to go in this domain. Okay, so like you will get better opportunities in future. So that is one of the reasons, sir.
कोई मैसेज देना चाहोगे अपने जूनियर्स को इस डोमेन के अंदर जो अभी ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं एनजी नेटवर्क से, उनके लिए कोई मैसेज?
मैसेज इन रेस्पेक्ट टू मैं वही बोलूंगा, प्लीज बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ सर, एंड आल्सो बिलीव you as well in NG Networks, so that you after believing like you have to focus on your path, like whatever you're doing, just give you 100% on that, and then definitely then you will get that success, right? So that is one of the reason I will want to tell to the other candidates, sir.